Laying membrane. Leave the membrane in place for approximately 30 minutes to allow to relax. Fold one half of the sheet back and roll or apply water-based adhesive to the deck. Do not apply adhesive to too large an area on very warm days in order to prevent the glue from drying too fast. Carefully lay membrane onto adhesive and sweep out any air bubbles with a soft broom. Repeat process to the other half of the roof. Thoroughly stir contact adhesive and apply a thin layer to both the upstand and the rubber. Alternatively, use our spray contact adhesive. Allow to dry completely. Starting in the middle, mate the membrane to the upstand, small sections at a time. Smooth out by hand and cut off excess rubber with scissors or blade. Use a detail kit and primer kit to seal where the roof abuts a wall. Simply prime the brickwork and rubber, peel the backing paper off and stretch the self-adhesive detail kit into place. Use 9-inch flashing tape, sold by the linear meter, for multiple details. In cold conditions, use a gentle heat source such as a hot air gun or hairdryer to help with any stretching.